It's Rocktails live at 5:04. 5:04. Damn it. All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome to a very special edition of Rocktails. I'm wearing a leather jacket. What's happening? It's the first day of Hanukkah. You decided to play this glorious track?
Second day.
It's the second day?
Is it second day? First day?
This is the first day, no?
Second day.
It's the second day?
Last night was the first day of Hanukkah.
But don't...
On the
Second
first
night.
night of Hanukkah.
Okay.
Second.
My bad. Second day of Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah to everyone out there.
Thank you.
Late Donna Shora.
It's a classic.
Adam Sandler's the fucking best. Do I sound like Demi Moore? Like, what's happening with my voice?
The vibe that I'm getting with this new leather jacket. You have many.
Yeah, where are your
some leather
mirrored
jackets.
sunglasses?
This is a different vibe.
Well, I was coming from the gallery, and so we launched halosandarrows.com a few weeks back, making sure that all the customer service and all of that's kind of been going great. If you are a fan of rock photography, myself and many others have been working really hard to kind of get this new website up and running, functional, working with a ton of different photographers to sell these fine art prints. And we were fortunate enough to get we did a pop-up in Beverly Hills. So
A gallery pop-up.
yeah. So
Which is why we were not on the air last week.
Because
the gallery pop-up was
hammered.
happening now.
hammered
A week ago.
hammered.
I wasn't hammered.
Oh,
I was working.
I was maybe a little toasty.
Well, you had all of Ahmet World was there. Many all-stars from the
Hundreds of people.
hundreds and hundreds of people.
Yeah.
All your concentric circles. All the circles of your world. They were all gathered together in one awesome place.
400 or so people RSVP'd, and then they all rolled in, and it was a lovely event.
It was a party.
It
was a legit, like, just forget about the awesomeness of the photography, the awesomeness of some of the pieces